India, the home to magnificent lighthouses that have stood as silent sentinels, guiding sailors and telling tales of resilience for generations. With more than 203 lighthouses in India, these beacons of hope have guided countless ships, reminding us that even in the darkest of times, there's always a light to lead us home. The coastline in India is spread almost 7,517 kilometers, from east coast to west coast of India, which face 3 oceans and which are not only the source of trade and commerce but also attract tourists all year long. These lighthouses are going through a transformation and calling the tourists to experience their unique stories and offering the harmonious convergence of India's rich heritage and the collective spirit of its people. With Lighthouse Heritage Tourism, let us embrace the light within us and shine it on the world. Directorate General of Lighthouses and Lightships, under the leadership of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, has decided to tap into the opportunities in tourism at lighthouses and to preserve the heritage value of old lighthouses. The DGLL, playing the pivotal role, has marked 75 lighthouses as tourist attractions, which has always been garnering substantial tourist footfall. Further efforts are made to enhance and develop the existing lighthouses and its surrounding areas into a unique tourism destination and a maritime landmark, thus expanding the lighthouses into heritage museums and National Maritime Museum to showcase our rich maritime heritage. These museums have exhibits on maritime heritage, navigation technology, and the lives of lighthouse keepers, also benefiting the local people by generating employment and other opportunities, thus enhancing the socio-economic possibilities of the region. In every beam of light that cuts through the darkness, in every tale etched in stone, lies the soul of India's lighthouses. Let their stories be heard, their spirits celebrated, and their guiding light forever cherished.